Gimpy the Goose by Tambuldre, animated by Hagos Tovolti. One summer day when the sun was high, a goose was limping and could not fly. The goose that looked as big as the moon appeared at Tule Ponds at Tyson's Lagoon. The goose looked behind a wood chip mound because he heard a nasal sound and was surprised by what he found. Wild Canada geese, white, black, and brown. The new goose began to rejoice. The Canada geese laughed at his silly voice. The funny goose honked a loud hello. "Stay with us, you funny fellow." This mysterious goose was different from the rest. Buff-colored feathers on his back and breast, with an orange beak with red, black spots, orange and pink feet with small knots. Domesticated greylog, wild to the Eurasian coast, bred by farmers to be cooked as a roast. This goose looks special because of genetics. Breeding is done for food or aesthetics. Passing of features from parents to offsprings, leaving the goose without strong wings. Breeding specific characteristics known as traits. Thus, different types of poultry breeders create. Genes are passed down from family to family. Geese with similar features without calamity. Gimpy the goose, which he is called by the locals, can be heard through the area with his vocals. The greylog goose decided to stay. The Canada geese wanted Gimpy to play. Dr. Conrad Lorenz, a zoologist, used greylog geese to document imprinting behaviors for many a beast. In fall, the Canada geese began leaving one by one, not one to eat nor have fun. Wintry winds soon began to moan. The greylog goose was left all alone. He tried to befriend the ducks in the stream, but Gimpy was lonely without his Canada team. The greylog goose was alone for many a day, but thankfully something happened in May. The Canada geese came back to make their nest. Gimpy the goose was no longer stressed. He protected the Canada gooselings from danger. Gimpy the goose was acting as their private ranger. Children and adults are both quite fond of Gimpy the goose at Tule Ponds.